Hello, everyone. So, today we are going to talk about this particular topic, a very famous question from all the students and parents. What is the right time to start preparing for the competitive exams? If you are willing to give the J mains, advance, or NEET, so the parents are also very much worried about the students, and the same for the students. So, the right time to start preparing for the mains, advance, or NEET is nursery. No, obviously, I'm kidding. This is not the right time. Basically, it's a very subjective matter. Everyone have their different opinions. Some think that they should start their preparation from the class ninth. Something that some people think that they should start preparing after 10th or after 11th, after 12th. So yes, it's a very subjective matter. But let's break it down. I think the right time to start preparing should be 11th class, because only you will know what stream you're going to pursue, right? So you should take your 11th class very seriously. Some students think like they are now seniors, so they don't need to study. No, please don't take your class 11th lightly. It's a very serious year. You should start studying from that time only. Make very strong notes, very valuable notes. Do not make any backlogs. Talking about the class 12th, this is the most important time for the preparation, because you have to manage both things together. You have to manage the board exams also, and you have to manage the competitive exams also. But the one thing that you can do is you should start preparing from off class 11th on the weekdays. Suppose you're doing 12th class from Monday to Friday, so you should take 1 or 2 days from the week so that you can revise from your 11th class, so that everything will be in the recapitulation form, right? And the best time to start the whole process of revising is the summer vacation. Yes, mark my words, summer vacation is the right time to start preparing for the exams. Some students think that this is the time for fun and we will go somewhere. Yes, you just go somewhere, have fun, but you should spend that summer vacation very nicely. It is very important. You will have an empty amount of time in that vacations, and you will not get that much amount of vacation in the whole year. So please use the summer vacations wisely. The third step is the drop year. So when we are talking about the drop year, some students think that drop year should it is not good. We should not take the drop for any competitive exam, but it's completely fine if you are taking the drop year. But you have to be very serious about your studies at that time. There should be no tomorrow policy. You have to do today, you have to do today only. No tomorrows should be there. If you follow these steps, then you will think that whatever the time you're choosing, consistency is the key. So, yeah, I hope it will help. Thank you.